Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I am gonna show you how to download and install Mozilla Firefox in your computer. So let's get started. Link in the description, just click on it and you will see this website.
It's a browse the web on Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox is an open source browser which launched in 2004. It's simple and easy to use with an excellent UI and inbuilt features. It's a popular browser with developers and has an active community of users. Firefox is available to download on a number of devices including desktop, mobile, tablet, even the Amazon Fire Stick TV.
Just click on this green button, wait for a few seconds, and it will start. As you guys can see, I'm gonna click on show all. This is it, it's done. And after that, just click here, click run, click yes, and you will see this: restore default setting and remove old okay, this is for me only, and for you just click on install. Now it is installing. It will take maybe few seconds or minutes. Let's see. So it is done. Just click on finish, and it takes a few minutes, and as you guys can see, this is it. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.